I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly keychain. It's really simple. Let's get started with just 5 easy steps, like stitching, trimming, stitching again, cutting out, and then waiting for it to dry. To begin, I'm using a mesh water-soluble stabilizer. I'll hoop it and then place the leather, or vinyl inside. First, we'll stitch the wings of the butterfly. For this project, you can use vinyl, faux leather, real leather, or even felt. Once you've finished stitching the wings, pause the machine but don't remove the hoop. Carefully trim the excess material around the wings, being careful not to cut the thread. It's really that simple. Next, rotate the hoop to see the back side. Place the leather piece with the wrong side facing up. Use tape to keep it in place while you stitch. Stitch the butterfly body to hold the wings in place. Finally, add the lining. Pause the machine again, take the hoop out, but don't remove your project from the hoop. Rotate the hoop to see the backside once more. And place the other piece of leather fabric with the right side facing up, and the wrong side facing down. Use tape to keep it in place while you stitch, making sure it's secure and flat. Once you've completed the design, the final step is to cut out the project along the edge. The most satisfying part of this project is washing away the stabilizer. It may take some time for the project to dry, but it's definitely worth the wait.